You can talk to cats, but they are racist and very mean to you.
Then no, I'm not gonna press that button.
You can fly, but you have to dress like Peter Pan forever.
I mean, I don't mind. I don't mind. So I'm gonna press the button. Yeah.
You can become a successful drug dealer and make millions of dollars and never have to worry about law enforcement. But the love of your life will get killed by the police since they can't touch you.
No. Who the fuck is gonna press the button? Um, it's a no. I'm not pressing that.